The guinea pig or domestic guinea pig, Cavia porcellus, also known as the cavy or domestic cavy, is a species of rodent belonging to the genus Cavia, family Caviidae. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you. Let's continue. Breeders tend to use the name cavy for the animal, but guinea pig is more commonly used in scientific and laboratory contexts. Despite their name, guinea pigs are not native to Guinea, nor are they closely related to pigs. Instead, they originated in the Andes region of South America, where wild guinea pigs can still be found today. Studies based on biochemistry and DNA hybridization suggest they are domesticated animals that do not exist naturally in the wild, but are descendants of a closely related cavy species such as tschudii. Originally, they were domesticated as livestock, source of meat, in the Andean region, and are still consumed in some parts of the world. In Western society, the guinea pig has enjoyed widespread popularity as a pet since its introduction to Europe and North America by European traders in the 16th century. Their docile nature, friendly responsiveness to handling and feeding, and the relative ease of caring for them have continued to make guinea pigs a popular choice of household pets. Consequently, organizations devoted to the competitive breeding of guinea pigs have been formed worldwide. Through artificial selection, many specialized breeds with varying coat colors and textures have been selected by breeders. Livestock breeds of guinea pig play an important role in folk culture for many indigenous Andean peoples, especially as a food source. They are not only used in folk medicine and in community religious ceremonies, but also raised for their meat. Guinea pigs are an important culinary staple in the Andes Mountains, where it is known as ʻkeɪvi. In the mid-2000s, marketers sought to expand its consumption beyond South America. Biological experimentation on domestic guinea pigs has been carried out since the 17th century. The animals were used so frequently as model organisms in the 19th and 20th centuries that the epithet guinea pig came into use to describe a human test subject. Since that time, they have mainly been replaced by other rodents, such as mice and rats. However, they are still used in research, primarily as models to study such human medical conditions as juvenile diabetes, tuberculosis, scurvy. Like humans, they require dietary intake of vitamin C and pregnancy complications. Rabbits are very popular pet choices, with an estimated 800,000 rabbits kept as pets in the UK. And it's easy to see why. Rabbits are intelligent, inquisitive, and incredibly expressive. They're the full pet package. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you. Let's continue. On this page, you'll learn about pet rabbits and their habits, with linked resources that explain how to care for them if you decide a rabbit is the pet for you. Rabbit facts. We could rabbit on about them all day. Instead, here are some of our favorite rabbit facts. Rabbit males, females, and babies have different names. Male rabbits are called bucks, female rabbits are called does, and rabbit babies are called kits. Rabbits are incredibly social animals. When they're kept with a suitable rabbit companion, rabbits feel happier, safer, calmer, and are less prone to stress. They even play tricks on one another. Rabbits are also very territorial. They form complicated social structures, and when kept together, rabbits form a pecking order, with some animals becoming more dominant than others. A group of rabbits is called a colony, a nest, or a warren. Rabbits eat their own droppings. Food is passed through their gut, and special droppings, caecotrophs, are produced. Rabbits eat these, allowing the food to be re-ingested, getting maximum nutrition. Rabbit teeth never stop growing. Their front teeth grow at a rate of 3 millimeters a week. This is why hay is essential for rabbit dental health. It promotes constant, side-to-side chewing that wears down their continuously growing teeth, preventing problems. Rabbits are intelligent. Just like dogs, Pet rabbits can be taught to respond to commands using positive reward-based training. You can even teach them fun tricks like high-fiving or fetching a toy. Rabbits purr. When they're happy, their teeth chatter gently, creating a soft purr, but teeth grinding can also be a sign of pain. Rabbits need more space than you might think. In the wild, they live in interconnecting underground tunnels. These can cover more than 2 acres and house 50 rabbits. Rabbit can do more than just hop. Have you ever seen them leap really far, twisting and kicking midair? That's called a binky. Newborn kits are born blind, eyes firmly closed, and bald. Fur begins to grow a week later, and the kits typically open their eyes for the first time after 10 days. A female rabbit can get pregnant at just 4 months old. Does can get pregnant very young and are pregnant for just 4 weeks. She'll have 1 to 10 kits in each litter, and if she wants to, she can get pregnant again within hours. In 1 year, 2 rabbits could multiply to 82 rabbits. Rabbits are most active at dusk and dawn. This is called being crepuscular and means they're most active at 2 specific points, dusk and dawn. This is different to being nocturnal, as nocturnal animals are more active throughout the entire night. Rabbits have incredible vision. They can see in almost every direction with their nearly 360-degree vision. Because rabbit eyes are on the sides of their head, they have a blind spot just under their chin and directly in front of their nose. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you.